Hey, welcome everyone. Pat Mitchell here with TrickTrades, and in this free video lesson, I'm going to show you how I prepare my members each and every morning with these three top-notch trades, and they're not one of a kind. This happens every day, so let's get into it. Okay, folks, so few trades that we took today, Boeing, Facebook, and MU. First, we're going to start with MU because this was a table pounder. This is something that I discussed in the pre-market plan of attack, and these levels, these lines that I have up on my chart, these are not after the fact. These are done in pre-market. Now, I'm going to zoom in here because I really want you guys to see just how accurate the trick trade strategy is. So this level here at 38.83, do you see where it came down to? And the whole time that this was happening, I first called out up here that there is a possible short. I said it's starting to get pretty wicky. I do like it for a short. Some members took the short, and then they took it right off, right, literally dead nuts to lows. Told them to wait, be patient, it'll come down, it'll test that level. Sure enough, it did, right to the penny, to the absolute penny on this, okay? Members took this long, it came up, they got out at this double top, and then they rode it down. They rode this down for a nice short. So this trade alone, okay, now if you just took the long, because the long from this level up, back up to morning highs, that's the trade, and that was the trade that was called out. Okay, this isn't hindsight. This happens every day. This here, you could have grabbed an easy, now remember, this is under a $40 stock. You could have had 55, 60 cents from literal bottom to top. This is the stuff that I try and get through to people in my video lessons on YouTube, is that yes, we really do catch the bottom to the top, and it's the way that we trade. It's the way that I teach at TrickTrades so that you're able to take these trades on your own. So that was MU. Now we have Facebook. Facebook was another table pounder. And you see these two levels? Again, these two levels were laid out at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So more than enough time to put them up on your charts and get prepared. So members, I told them to wait for the short up at 137.50, or sorry, 173.57. They grabbed it short and they walked this down all the way down, and I told them to be patient. Be patient right to lows, right to this 171.22. So on the Facebook short trade, you had, and you absolutely could have caught from top to bottom, $2.30 a share. So those are two trades now that you could have, with confidence, because we do this every day, with confidence, you could have grabbed this. Really nice. And then you could have grabbed this bounce. Oops. You could have grabbed this bounce up here back to VWAP. That would have been the trade for another point. Okay. So you had over 3 points a share just on one ticker alone. Okay. So that was Facebook. And then we had Boeing. Boeing also had some nice levels marked on this yesterday that literally ticked to the penny on this, and you could have grabbed it. So like I said, this happens literally every day, but we'll go over the Boeing trade. So Boeing, I told everyone to just, this one may take some time. You're going to have to be really patient with this one, but whenever it does happen, grab it. And sure enough, what do you know, right at the 367.78. Again, this was not laid out after the fact at all. This is all done live, pre-market, part of the small basket of stocks that I go over each and every morning. And there's more. It's not just these three stocks that I'm showing you. I'm showing you only three because I want to keep this a nice, short, sweet little video for you. They do this. My trading style is very different. And it uses a very simple approach, and you'll be able to, I tell people all the time, if you listen and you implement and execute my education, you could quit your 9 to 5 tomorrow. You really could. We don't sell dreams at TrickTrades. We sell reality, period. And sure enough, look what happened. And it even gave another signal here. This signal right here was a dead nuts giveaway that she's going to bounce, and it'll retrace at least up to the VWAP. Okay, so on this alone, and I'll go over the bigger trade that I called out as well. So, come on. Pretty hard to get these lines sometimes and show you. So up to the VWAP, if you just caught it up to the VWAP, that was 9 points. 9 points. But the really good trade was called out right here. I'm going to zoom in. And you would have held it right to this level. That is your target. You need to hold to your target, okay? So I called it right here, okay? All the way down to the target. What do we got, folks? We've got over 20 points per share. So add it all up. We have over 25, 26 points per share that you could have grabbed all of these with confidence. We do this every day, and you know, it's something that I wanted to point out to you guys, that TrickTrades really is the real deal. It's no bullshit. It's no hindsight trading or paper trading or anything like that. Each and every day I share my P&L in the room. I don't share it on social media because I don't have the desire to bring in the wrong type of mentality into TrickTrades, but I share it all with my members each and every day. So if you want to come take a look and you want to learn how to trade proper stocks, if you're tired of these penny stocks handing you your ass, like looking at BPTH this morning that dumped out 14 points in one candle, you know, like how many people got their asses handed to them on that today? You know, stop with these penny stocks, guys. You know, I used to say, you know, some people do well with them and some people don't. No, I'm telling you, fuck that. You know, that's just me trying to be diplomatic. It's enough of that. These proper stocks are the way to go. That's how predictable they are. I just showed you. And it happens literally every day. Every day this happens. So come join TrickTrades and take your trading and your career as a day trader serious, and let's do this. Stop struggling. You don't need to struggle anymore. Come to TrickTrades and stop the struggle. So on that note, folks, hope you learned something. Make sure to check out TrickTrades.com, and we'll see you on the next one, folks. Adios.